It is March on 10, 2010, and I'm making video of a METRA Tron in Lake Forest. Trons are fucking cool. It's exciting to make videos of Trons. Oh God, I crossed this dangerous fucking street though. There's actually people who are riding the Tron from Chicago, actually going away from Chicago. Yeah, unfortunately, this is going to be the last Tron video I make. Maybe the last Tron video I make before I go back to Metropolis. Oh, the green tinted windows on the Tron are fucking cool. The people who live in the Chicago area are such lucky fucking bastards. They have so many Trons to ride. This is the first time I got to make videos of Trons from Lake Forest. Well, I'm hungry, so this may be the last Tron video I make. I might stop in Lake Villa to make videos of North Central Trons, but it could be so fucking late that I might, you know, that's after I leave Golden Corral and Fox Lake to make videos of METRA Tron. But that's, again, it's got to be and how late it is and how long I'm willing to wait, and then after that I'm going back to Metropolis. So I'm gonna leave for my well-deserved feast at Golden Corral.